Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to harvest your basil to keep it from flowering. Here's a clip from the show. All right, here's our basil harvest, and that's really good. Remember, we have those 9 plants in there. So I want to show you how I'm harvesting this. So if you have your basil plant here, you got the center, and it'll make new shoots coming out either side. And what I do is I just take this whole top off. And the reason I do that is this will actually come up and flower. It'll, and that makes the stems really tough. So to keep my basil plant from flowering, I want to just keep harvesting the tips out of the plant. So every week I come through and break off the tips. It doesn't matter whether you break them off, you know, down here below this next set, or if you take it off right here. Either harvest is fine. And these stems are really tender, and you can go ahead and roll those right into pesto just the way they are. So great tip to keep the basil from flowering on you and getting really tough stems. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 21. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.